In this video, we're going to learn how to convert a photo into a pencil sketch effect in Affinity. First, drag your image onto the canvas. If necessary, you can remove the background first. Watch the previous video to learn how to remove the background from an image in Affinity. Make sure you are working in the Pixel Studio. When your image is ready, duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl-J on Windows or Command-J on Mac. Then click the Adjustments icon and select HSL. In the dialog box, reduce the saturation all the way down to -100%. Next, select the duplicate layer and change the blend mode to Color Dodge. Now invert the image by pressing Ctrl-I on Windows or Command-I on Mac. Then go to Pixel, Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and adjust the radius until you get a result that works well for your image. In this example, 48 pixels looks best. Once you're happy with the adjustment, click Apply. Now the image looks more like a pencil sketch than a photo. However, you may want to make further adjustments to enhance the pencil sketch effect. Click the top layer and add a levels adjustment layer above it. Increase the black level if you want to darken the shadows. Reduce the output white level if you want to add shading around the highlight areas. Reduce the white level to lessen the shading in the highlights. And increase the output black level if you want to soften the shadow areas. Feel free to adjust these settings to achieve the best result for your pencil sketch effect. Once completed, close the dialog box. Next, create a composite layer by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Alt-E on Windows or Command-Shift-Option-E on Mac. Then click Tone Map and choose any preset that works best for your pencil sketch effect. In this example, the black and white sketch preset works well. Once you select a preset, click Apply. However, the preset may darken the highlights. To brighten the highlight areas, add another levels adjustment layer above and adjust the white level and output black level until you're satisfied with the result. Lastly, you can add a paper texture image to your pencil sketch effect and change its blend mode to multiply. That's all for this tutorial. Subscribe to this channel for more Affinity tutorials. Support this channel by clicking the like button. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section. Thanks for watching.